Welcome to the Voxtelesys Portal Quick Start Guide. This video demonstrates how to add caller ID on a phone number or numbers in the Voxtelesys portal. This video is also helpful if you wish to verify that caller ID is already configured. To begin, log into the Voxtelesys portal. From the Voxtelesys portal dashboard, click on the Phone Numbers tab, then click on Numbers. Click on the Edit icon next to the number you wish to add caller ID to. From here, make sure that the Outbound CNAM Enabled option is checked. Type in the outbound caller name. The maximum number of characters you can set as your caller ID is 15. Click on OK when you're finished. Repeat these steps for any additional numbers you wish to add a caller ID to. Congratulations! You've successfully added a caller ID to a phone number in the Voxtelesys portal. Check back for more videos as we're continually adding new content.